How do you change text language on the iPad? Let me cover all the things which I believe you might have in mind. Let's get started. And if you are new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything. Now, if you want to change the language of the iPad, generally, just go to the settings, general, then there is the language and region, and you can literally change the language, right? So you can add a new one, or if you already see the one you want to change it to, just make sure you're dragging it toward the top of the list, which will make the iPad restart and apply that language to your whole iPad. So that is one way to do it. Then also we have the keyboard languages, which as well in the general section, you can find the keyboard in here, and you can add languages for your keyboard, like that, and you'll be able to switch between them no problem whenever you are using the keyboard to type something in. So that is another way to access the text language setting, right? The next thing you might have in mind is the changing of the text language in terms of the translation. So for that, you have the Apple Translate, but you can also download the Google Translate app on the iPad, and then it's like pretty simple. You just paste text in one language and choose the other one, and you have it translated automatically. That's very useful. Yeah, so most definitely have at least one translating app ready. But one more thing I want to mention in this video is also that you can explore a different keyboard app on the App Store. For example, the Google Gboard is a keyboard app which you can download for free and start using on the iPad. And the point is that there is a translator built into the keyboard there. So you might be texting with someone in a different language, literally, and just type that in to your keyboard, and it will be translated in real time for you to send it over, right? So that is something which a lot of people don't use, as far as I know. So make sure to let me know in the comments if you managed to find something what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.